Hi, I'm Yaz from MeruBeads, and today I'm going to be showing you what to expect when you order the 8mm wrap mala bead with removable tassel. First off, you're going to get this box, and it's great for gifting, as you can see. Now, as I pull it out, you're gonna see a pouch, and inside it's the mala. Before I get to the mala, you're gonna be getting your mantra card of your necklace. In this case, I'm gonna be showing you the red tiger's eye. So I got the I am lucky mantra card, and it's gonna tell you what the benefits are for the tiger's eye gemstone. Now, as well as you're gonna get a free guided meditation. There's a link on a card you can go access anytime. It's completely free and exclusive for you. And there's a video, and there's also a audio. Now, going inside the pouch, there is you're gonna get a beautiful necklace, 108, as you can see. And the beauty of this model is that the tassel is removable. So all the metalware is stainless steel, and it comes with a little clasp, as you can see, and here is your tassel. Comes with a protective sleeve, and you can attach it or not. Now, the necklace has a toggle clasp, as you can see. To remove it, just flip the little T-bar, and guess what? It's extendable. So the beauty of this mala is that you can meditate on it without the tassel or with the tassel. As you can see, it has the perfect size beads, which is 8mm. It's hand knotted, and it's made of authentic tiger's eye gemstones. Now, you can use it as well as a necklace or a double necklace, as you can see, or you can wrap it around your wrist. Again, this is Yaz from MeruBeads. Thank you so much for watching.